The secret of dew morning jewels. Have you ever seen tiny drops of water on leaves and flowers in the morning? That's called dew, and it's like nature's own little jewels. Let's learn about the secret of dew. What is dew? Dew is water vapor from the air that turns into tiny drops of water on cool surfaces like grass, leaves, and flowers. It happens at night when the air gets cold. Magical morning. When the sun rises in the morning, it warms up the air and makes the dew disappear. That's why you see dew only in the early morning before the sun comes up. Nature's drink. Dew is like a drink for plants. They soak up the water through their leaves and roots to help them grow big and strong. Sparkling jewels. Dewdrops look like tiny jewels glittering in the sunlight. They make everything look shiny and magical, just like a fairy tale. Where to find dew? You can find dew on grass, leaves, flowers, and even spider webs. It's like nature's way of adding a little sparkle to everything around us. Fun fact, did you know that dew forms when the temperature of the surface is cooler than the dew point temperature? It's like magic happening right before our eyes. Dew is like nature's secret gift, making everything look beautiful and fresh in the morning. So, next time you wake up early, take a look outside and see if you can spot these magical morning jewels.